Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, selecting from many options with switch statements. If you have many options to choose from, use a switch statement. A switch statement takes a value and can have many case statements which define various possible values. Statements are executed from the first matched case value until a break is encountered. Here is an example of switch statement. Switch lowercase letter, and here we can see case in quotes a small a and console.log capital A, and after that break. Here case values are tested with a strict equality. That means lowercase letter and capital case letter, uppercase letter are both different and would not be equal. The break tells JavaScript to stop executing statements. If the break is omitted, the next statement will be executed. So the task for this challenge, write a switch statement which tests val and set answer for the following conditions. So let's use switch. We will pass val here, and now we will mention case. So first case, one, write a switch statement which tests val and set the answer for the following condition. Case 1, then console.log or y console log return alpha, and since it will return, so there is no need for break here. Case 2, return beta. Case 3, return gamma. Case 4, return delta. In each case, it will check and return the answer. We could have used answer instead of returning it directly also, and in that case we would have to use break. So answer equal to alpha, then we will use break if and okay, let's copy paste answer and answer equal to and let's give break between them so that it stops executing other cases once it is true for one case. So let's run the test. It should be successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.